Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're receiving this Canon printer download error or install error, that is 0x800f020b, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So as you are not able to install this Canon printer driver in Windows Update because of this error code, then in that case you can install the Canon driver from Canon website. So you can go to Canon website and install the driver from here, from Canon website. But if you're not experiencing any kind of printer issue right now, in that case there is no need to install this update. You can use show or hide update troubleshooter to hide this update. So next time when you click on check for update, you won't see this update anymore. To hide this update, you can copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. This is a link from Microsoft. You can open this link in a browser. This will download the file. Now in Google Chrome, you will receive this prompt which says keep. You are receiving this prompt because this is the old troubleshooter. So you can just click on keep and then you can run this file. And here you can see show or hide update troubleshooter from Microsoft. So click on next and it will search for update. This will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute. Now click on hide updates. We want to hide this update, right? So we will click on hide updates. And once you click on hide update, you will see this Canon printer driver over here. You will see it. I don't have it, but in your case, you will see Canon printer driver. In that case, put a check on that box. There will be a box to put a check. Put a check on the box and then click on next. This will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute, and then it will hide that update. Now, once the update is hidden, once the process is complete, you can restart your computer. Now, once you restart your computer, after the system restart, open Windows settings, and then you can click on check for update. That Canon printer driver won't be available over here, and you will not see this error anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.